Hi friends, this video shows how to replace battery of this Logitech B175 wireless mouse. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Let me go to the back side of this battery. Here on this back side, here you can see on off button. We can remove this cover. So let me remove this battery cover. Press, then just pull down. See. Then we can take this battery outside like this. See. So this way we can remove the battery. So let me insert new battery. So when we insert new battery, so here you can see the plus symbol. So the plus side, positive side of the battery has to come here. And negative side, this side has to go inside. So we have to insert battery like this. See, this side has to come here. Done. Then we can close the cover. Done. Then switch on the mouse. Then let me test this. See, I am going to test with this Android phone. I have connected this Bluetooth receiver of this mouse to this Android phone using this adapter. So let me test. See, it's working. So this way we can replace the battery of this Logitech B175 wireless mouse. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.